Hi Alex, my name's Kyle with Millsap Digital Marketing. I just wanted to reach out and make you this video that can bring you and your business some value. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can personally go in and optimize your website and drive in more traffic than you already do. So I have 3 tips for you. My first tip is about content and keywords. Now, what Google cares about is not how awesome your website looks, but what kind of content is on your page. Google typically, they like to see a lot of content, and the website that with the most content is going to be the ones with the most authority on the topic. Google wants to give its users the best experience possible by ensuring it has everything that the user needs. So I did a little bit of research to see what's going on. I use this tool. It's called Ahrefs. And I can use it to look for what people are searching for in the area. So we need buyer intent keywords. So I looked up solar panel in Phoenix, and I have 3 examples here. I have solar panel installation Phoenix, Phoenix solar panel installation, solar panel installers Phoenix. So people are searching these keywords here up to 300 times a month. And this is just a small sample of keywords that needs to be on your website so Google can find you. That way people can find you. So when someone clicks on your website, it definitely have to make sure it has everything that the end user needs. That's why I recommend that you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your page. So just by adding more content to your page, you're going to show Google that you are more of an authority, and it will help you beat out your competition. So alongside the content, you have those keywords I showed you strategically placed throughout your content. Now, if I go into your website and I push Command F, my search bar pops up, and I typed in solar panel installation Phoenix. And that word is not to be found anywhere on your website. So you're missing opportunities to be found when people search in this keyword in the Google search bar. My second tip is going to be backlinkings. A backlink is when a website has your link on there linking people to your website. The backlinks are very important. It's essentially having a popularity contest. Whoever has the most backlinks is gonna win. So Google's looking at other sites that are pointing at you and vouching for you, stating, hey, they're actually a really trustworthy website and they have a great service they offer. But not all backlinks are created equal though. Google wants to see backlinks that are relevant to you, such as other solar panel companies, electrical companies, home improvement sites. You don't want backlinks coming from, say, Pizza Hut. Well, you're not a food company. The more relevant the backlink, the better. So I also use Ahrefs to check for backlinks. It is a paid tool. There are free tools out there. Just Google Backlink Checker, Keyword Finder, and you can find all the tools that you need to be able to do this yourself. So on your website here, you have a UR rating of 28. This is the power that's going into your website. This is your domain rating here. This is the trust value. You want these 2 numbers as close together as possible. So you're getting a total organic traffic of 105 per month. Over here is your referring domains. You have 121 referring domains, and that is giving you a total of 746 backlinks. I compared you with one of your top competitors, Alternative Energy Sun Power. They have a URL rating of 27. Their domain rating is 20. They're having over 3,800 people coming onto their website per month. Their referring domains, they have over 1,500 referring domains, giving them over 3,800 backlinks. So how do you get these backlinks? So you go into the referring domains, and each one of these websites is a backlink, has a link linking the person back to their website. So you can go in and get every single one of these yourself. All you have to do is you go into each one of these websites. Some of them, you just have to go in and create a profile, and you can add your website in like that. Others, you're going to have to go to the Contact Us and email the owner. The owner might email you back stating you can post your website just for a small fee. So that's my second tip. My third tip is going to be number 1 on the Google Map Pack. To me, in my opinion, it's the best spot to be in. If you're anything like me, and say I'm new to the area and I need to search for a plumber, I'm going to type in plumber near me. And this is going to be the first thing that pops up. This is the first thing I'm going to see. First, I'm going to see, Pep Solar has 81 reviews, 5 stars basically. So they seem the most trustworthy. I'm going to click on their website and I'm going to check them out first. So how do you beat them out? It's really simple. You just have to get more citations than them. And this all a citation is your business address, your business name and business phone number listed in directories throughout the internet. I mean, there's thousands of directories. You got Yelp, Better Business Bureau, White Pages, Yellow Pages. Even Facebook's considered a directory nowadays. So I hope this short video was helpful. Just a quick recap. You blow your competition out of the water. Get 1,500, 2,000 words on your own page with using buyer intent keywords placed throughout. Then get all the backlinks that your competitor has. And finally, add your business name, your business address, and your business phone number, all spelled exactly the same, all across the internet and more directories than your competition has. If you follow these 3 tips, you will rank your website. You'll have more people coming in, visiting your website. You'll have more opportunities to bid on jobs, which in turn is gonna more revenue for your business. So you're probably wondering what to do now. Well, you can take all this information that I gave you and you can apply it yourself. And I totally encourage you to do that. It does take some time to do all that, so I would advise to get started sooner than later because it's going to take you some time to rank up. So if you have any questions or you need any help, you're more than welcome to reach out to me. My phone number is 480-605-0508. Thank you, Alex.